Ever wonder what goes into making the world's most popular candy bar? Today, we're pulling back the curtain and taking you on an exclusive journey deep inside the Snickers factory. Get ready to discover the magic behind that perfect combination of nougat, caramel, peanuts, and chocolate. It's a story of precision, passion, and a whole lot of deliciousness. Our journey begins with the heart of every Snickers bar, the nougat. This isn't just any nougat. It's a fluffy, chewy base that sets the stage for everything else. It all starts in massive, gleaming mixers. Here, a precise blend of corn syrup, sugar, egg whites, and a secret vanilla flavoring are whipped together. The whipping process is crucial. It incorporates air, creating that light, airy texture we all love. It's a delicate dance of temperature and timing. Too little whipping, and the nougat is dense. Too much, and it loses its structure. The machines are calibrated to perfection, ensuring every single batch has that consistent, satisfying chew. Once whipped, this sea of white nougat is ready for the next step. From the mixers, the nougat is poured onto a massive, moving conveyor belt. It's like a wide, white river flowing through the factory. But it can't stay like this forever. Special rollers gently press down on the nougat, flattening it into a huge, uniform sheet. Think of it like rolling out dough, but on an industrial scale. The thickness has to be exact, down to the millimeter, because this forms the foundation of the Snickers bar. This continuous sheet of nougat, stretching as far as the eye can see, is a truly impressive sight. It's the blank canvas upon which the Snickers masterpiece will be painted. Now for my favorite part, the caramel and peanuts. While the nougat is on its journey, another delicious process is happening simultaneously. In separate, enormous kettles, a rich, golden caramel is being slow-cooked to perfection. This process develops its deep, buttery flavor. Once it reaches the perfect consistency, it's combined with a mountain of freshly roasted peanuts. We're talking tons of peanuts every single day. The peanuts are carefully selected and roasted to bring out their nutty aroma and crunchy texture. They're then folded into the warm caramel, creating a crunchy, gooey mixture that is simply irresistible. The smell in this part of the factory is absolutely incredible, a sweet and nutty aroma that would make anyone's mouth water. Here's where the magic really happens. The sheet of caramel and peanuts is carefully layered on top of the moving sheet of nougat. Imagine two delicious rivers merging into one. A specialized machine gently lays the warm peanut-filled caramel over the nougat base. The two layers adhere perfectly, creating the iconic internal structure of a Snickers bar. The combination of the soft, chewy nougat below and the crunchy, gooey caramel peanut layer on top is what makes Snickers so unique. This two-layered slab, now looking like a giant candy road, continues its journey down the production line, ready for its next transformation. But this giant slab is way too big to be a single candy bar. So, what happens next? It enters a cooling tunnel. This long refrigerated chamber is essential for firming up the nougat and caramel. This step ensures that when the slab is cut, it maintains its shape and doesn't turn into a sticky mess. After exiting the cooling tunnel, the firmed-up slab meets a series of incredibly precise cutting machines. A gang of circular blades, spinning at high speed, first slices the slab lengthwise into long, thin strips. Then, a second set of blades, like a guillotine, chops these strips into the perfect bite-sized Snickers bar portions. It's a symphony of mechanical precision, turning one massive slab into thousands of individual bar centers in minutes. We're almost there, but a Snickers isn't a Snickers without its signature chocolate coating. These perfectly cut, but still naked, bar centers now march in neat rows towards the most delicious-looking part of the factory, the chocolate and as the bars travel along a wire mesh conveyor, they pass under a continuous cascade of rich, melted milk chocolate. It's like a chocolate waterfall, completely blanketing each bar. Not only does the top get covered, but the chocolate also flows through the mesh, coating the bottom as well. This ensures that every single nook and cranny is sealed in a perfect layer of chocolatey goodness. It's pure indulgence. After their chocolate bath, the bars aren't quite ready. The chocolate is still wet and needs to set. So, they immediately enter another cooling tunnel, similar to the one from earlier. This one is specifically designed to chill the chocolate coating, giving it that familiar snap and glossy finish. As the bars emerge from the other side, they are transformed. What went in as a warm, gooey bar comes out as the finished Snickers we know and love. The cooling process is quick but critical to ensure the chocolate doesn't have streaks and has a smooth, appealing look. From here, you can finally see the finished product, lined up and ready for the final step. The last stage in this incredible journey is wrapping. You can't have all these delicious bars just sitting out, right? High-speed automated wrapping machines are a blur of motion. They work at an astonishing pace, grabbing each individual bar and sealing it in its iconic brown, blue, and red wrapper. Each wrapper is printed, folded, and heat-sealed around the bar in a fraction of a second. This not only keeps the bar fresh, but also gets it ready for its trip to store shelves all over the world. The wrapped bars are then funneled into boxes. The boxes are placed onto pallets, and just like that, they're ready to be shipped out and enjoyed by millions. So, the next time you unwrap a Snickers, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken. From the whipping of the nougat and the roasting of the peanuts to the layering, cutting, and that final chocolate waterfall. It's a process of precision, technology, and a deep understanding of what makes a candy bar truly satisfying. It's a testament to how simple ingredients can be transformed into something loved by people everywhere. It's not just a candy bar. It's a small piece of manufacturing magic. Thanks for joining us on this sweet adventure through the Snickers Factory. I don't know about you, but I'm suddenly feeling a bit hungry. If you enjoyed this inside look, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating factory tours. Let us know in the comments what your favorite candy bar is. See you in the next video.